September 6th through the 8th for the first time ever, Trucks Gone Wild invades Mud City Motorsports in Milledgeville, Georgia. It's a non-stop weekend of 4x4 fun featuring awesome horseshoe-style racing for the tractor tire trucks. The 1-ton Sniper Series points race. Play areas for the ATVs and side-by-sides. And plenty of great camping for everybody. It's Trucks Gone Wild at Mud City Motorsports for the first time ever, and it's all going down September 6th through the 8th. Check out trucksgonewild.com or Mud City Motorsports on Facebook right now.